Dr. Jim here for Be Healthy, Be Happy, talking with you today about intermittent fasting. COVID-19, the pandemic, has really been rough on us. So many stresses, so many challenges, so much sadness, so much difficulty, unemployment, and all the things that have gone along with it. And what have we done? One of the things that we've done to manage the stress is to eat. It's created such a problem for us on a national level. So much weight gain, both for adults and for children during the entire pandemic. So I'm here with you today to talk about a very effective way to get that weight off. Let's use 2022 to do it and do it together. It's called intermittent fasting. It's not new. It's been around a while, but it's still so effective that I feel compelled to talk about it. That's all there is to it. And here's one of the best things about it is that you don't have to change the foods that you like to eat. This is not a diet where you restrict all the foods that you enjoy. It's about a protocol that's very effective metabolically to help you lose weight. And so one of the strong benefits is whether you're paleo or plant-based or keto or meat lover or vegan or vegetarian, intermittent fasting fits in to your particular lifestyle. You just have to choose the protocol. There are, of course, some other real benefits to intermittent fasting. For example, it's effective weight loss without extreme restriction of calories. It improves insulin resistance to better control blood sugar. It reduces bad cholesterol, which leads to improved heart health. And finally, flexible fasting times improve sticking with the protocol. So there are lots of benefits to intermittent fasting. And what's up to you is to choose the protocol that works. And there are lots of protocols. Professionally, I like the 16-8 protocol. I think it works into lifestyles a little bit better. And one example of a 16-hour fast and an 8-hour period of eating is that you can start it when you want to and work it into your lifestyle, whether you work a night shift or whether you eat out a good deal for the evening meal. So it all fits into your particular lifestyle. With the 16-8 protocol that I think is effective, you skip breakfast. Yeah, skip breakfast. Start eating at noon. You eat for an 8-hour period of time or during that 8-hour window. Have lunch, have dinner, and then at 8 p.m. you stop eating. The fasting period begins then and lasts for 16 hours until lunchtime the next day when you have lunch and then you have dinner during that 8-hour window. And that's basically the protocol. But you can set any time that works for you. There are definitely some do's and don'ts, and we need to talk about those. For example, it's really important that you eat and drink copious fluids during the period of time. It's important that you exercise 30 or minutes most days during the entire 24-hour period of time. So during the 24 hours, you drink copious water, sugar-free, calorie-free drinks, and you exercise on most days about 30 minutes or so. During the 16-hour fasting phase, you emphasize water and calorie-free beverages, just as you did in the 8-hour phase, just as you do in the 8-hour phase. But there's no nibbling, there's no snacking, there's no cheating. During the 8-hour eating period, you eat satisfying portions of the nutritious foods that you like. You go light on carbohydrates. You moderate or eliminate alcohol. And again, you avoid nibbling and snacking, no binging and no gorging during the 8-hour period of time that you eat. There it is. There's the intermittent fasting protocol. It works, it's effective. You don't have to make rigorous changes in your life. If you follow it, you'll lose very effective weight over a short period of time. And then it works to maintain. You can continue it in a modified lifestyle, modified to what you were used to before. But again, it fits your lifestyle, it fits your eating and dietary likes and dislikes, and it works. So this is Dr. Jim for Be Healthy, Be Happy. Power your path to happiness in 2022. Whatever protocol you select, let's skip and kick pandemic overweight to the curb.